Imagine a vast, blindingly white plain stretching endlessly to the horizon, so flat and reflective it appears like a giant mirror reflecting the sky above. These surreal landscapes are salt flats, formed through a remarkable natural process. When ancient lakes or seas slowly evaporate in arid regions, they leave behind minerals, primarily salt, that crystallize into a thick, solid crust. Over centuries, wind and occasional rains smooth this crust, creating a surface so even and hard that it's used to test vehicles at extreme speeds. Yet salt flats are far more than natural wonders. They serve as vital ecological hotspots. Seasonal rains briefly flood these areas, transforming them into shallow lakes that attract migratory birds from great distances. Some species, such as flamingos, rely on these temporary waters for feeding and breeding. Beneath the surface, specialized microorganisms thrive in the harsh, salty environment, producing vibrant colors and supporting unique ecosystems. Salt flats also help regulate mineral cycles and reflect intense sunlight, subtly influencing local climates. Their stark, shimmering beauty conceals a complex and essential world teeming with life and natural processes.